What are you actually buying? May 6 million condo, pero through pasalo. You can get it for 4.8 million. Bayaran mo lang daw yung cash out ng seller. Then continue the monthly payments. Sounds like a bargain, right? Pero before you send any money, there's one question you need to understand. What exactly are you buying? First, paying the seller doesn't automatically make you the recognized buyer. If the condo is still under a contract to sell or an existing loan, the developer or lender may still need to approve the transfer. So kahit ikaw na ang nagbabayad, someone else may still be on the official records. Second, the discount can disappear once you calculate the real cost. Paid balances, penalties, transfer fees, taxes, or financing requirements you didn't expect. Hindi porket mababa ang cash out, bargain na agad. Third, the documents matter just as much as the condo. Who is the recognized buyer? Is there a title? Is there a mortgage? And is the transfer actually allowed? Pero here's what I keep coming back to. A pasalo discount may be real, but sometimes that discount exists because you're taking an additional complexity and risk. So the goal is not simply to buy below market. It's to make sure what you're paying for can actually become yours. Ikaw, what would you verify first before buying a pasalo condo?